You've invested blood, sweat, and tears, and hard-earned money to bring your product to the marketplace. You can't afford to skip on the very thing that will get it in front of Amazon shoppers, your product listing. As a top-rated seller, NetPerks has crafted thousands of SEO-rich product listings for third-party merchants from around the globe, highlighting their products' superior attributes to transform clicks into cha-ching. Here are just a few glowing reviews from their satisfied customers. Hire NetPerks to create a unique listing that is keyword-rich and mobile-friendly so that your product can get in front of Amazon shoppers who are ready to buy. Whether you need a brand new listing